Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about which book is best for graduation and master's entrance purpose. This particular book, Morgan and King. If you have studied psychology in your 12th, or even if you have not studied, this book is going to particularly help you in preparation for masters or graduation entrance. Most of the chapters that are covered in this book that are already you have studied in your 12th book. One particular topic that is not covered in our 12th book, developmental psychology. This is the only domain which you have to study or read all over again if you have not studied psychology in your graduation. I have not studied psychology in my graduation, and while preparing for my masters I had to learn development psychology all over again. This is my suggestion for the entrance or for any entrance, graduation or masters, and hope it helps. Bye.